Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about alerts in Selenium section. Okay, what is alerts? Is basically the alerts it will come whenever you open a web application. That moment it will comes. Okay, basically developers develop this alerts by using to JavaScript. Okay, it is a one kind of pop-up type. Okay, the position of the alerts it will be different based upon your company. Okay, I can say is 100% fixed it. Okay, this is basically one kind of alert. If you click here, it is one part of it. Sometime it will come here itself. Sometime it's in different place. Like that, it will comes. Okay. Whenever you click OK, then it will give you some information, or it will navigate into another page. Okay. And if you see here in the development also, they are using for on click as a JS alert. On click as a JS alert. Okay. In this alerts, we have three different kind of actions. One is it's a one kind of confirmation directly, okay, accepting. And another one is to making for cancel or dismiss. Okay, this accepting or dismissing. You can either say okay or cancel. Okay. And also some alerts will have for another things like when you click it, it will ask you some information to provide that particular one, which is the information you provided. That information it will comes to or down, or it will take some navigating to another page kind of things it will do it. Okay, in this particular thing it is showing in the same place, it is showing the naming convention. But if you go for real time wise, maybe they are allowed once you click on OK button, maybe we can able to see it is switching into another window, or it is navigating to the same place only. Okay, like this it will go. And also they are providing some text to here. Okay, how to read this text and how to accept this one and how to verify this whether we are done properly or not. Okay, these are the things we are going to discussing about today video session. Okay, now I'm clicking here and use public void alerts handle. Okay, and I'll copy the first two lines. Okay, then first we need to use for confirm alert. Okay, it's a sorry normal alert. It's not a confirm alert. It's just accept alert. Okay, and here how you can able to do. First of all, we need to find that locator. See here is basically the name is like click on JSON alert. Okay, this is the confirmation purpose. Okay, and if you inspect element, if you create for XPath, a button is on my tag name, and you can able to square boxes and text and open braces and equal to and the single quotation specifying and one on one it is able to find it. Okay, I'm going to show you here as well. See, this is my path. Okay, now I'm going back to here, and here we can able to provide uh, to clicking that particular button. Okay, driver dot find element, and we took XPath, right, by dot XPath, and then I'm specifying two double quotations and dot click function. Okay, once we click this particular function, it will open for that particular option. Okay, that pop-up window it will comes. Now that main action it will come, whether our driver can able to handle this kind of alert or no. Directly it will not able to handle that particular alert box. Then how we can able to? There is an action called switch window. Okay, there is a switch to the one function is the method is there we need to use, and then we need to what type of switching you want to do, either window or whether in alert, either in frame. what kind of one you want to do. If it is alert, you can choose for alert. If you want to do for frame, then you can choose for frame. Okay. Frame are multiple windows. I'll show in the next video, upcoming videos. Okay. And now we need to switch that window. Okay. Now driver a dot a switch to and then use that. You can see alert is presented. Okay. If you come down, there is a new window, frame present frame window. Like this we have some kind of things. Okay, now I'm going to use for alert. Okay, I'm closing this one, and here we can able to do, there is a function. If you make the dot, now you can see accept, dismiss, send keys and text. Okay, these are the functions we have directly. I'll click directly no as of now today. Okay, now I'm directly accepting that particular window. Once we done that window, and automatically it will give you for this result. Okay, we need to verify the result as well. Okay, whether it is clicked perfectly or not. This is a element id is presented. I'm going to take here uh I web element equal to a driver dot find element and by dot id and specifying this value and enter. Okay, and now after that I need to use for assert are equal to, and I'm going to specifying this element dot text shit, element dot text, and then I'm going to use it here. What value we need to use, and this is basically you click successfully. Okay, this is the message we need to verify. Okay, and I'm using this and just I'm closing this. Okay, now I'm going to here and this is my class file and I'm clicking this one. Okay, you can see now it will open that. Oh shit, it will fail because it's not alert. URL is wrong. Okay, and I'm clicking again. I'm clicking back. So automatically it is very fast. Okay, now you can see it is clicked and assertion also got past it. Okay, but can we do for any other way for this particular kind of actions? Means yes, we can able to do, but only one thing we need to use it to alert storing purpose, because every time we need to use. Next time if you want to use for send case, again we need to use the driver dot switch to dot alert, everything again we need to use. There's a duplicate of code, it will comes. Okay, that moment we can able to use I alert and alert is equal. Okay, now you can use for whatever you want. Same actions. Okay, nothing different, everything same. Only thing is just we are storing into alert variable, and that variable we are using to click on all. Okay, but we need to get that one more thing. If you click this particular alert, there is a information is presented. I am JSON alert. Okay, this is my text. Okay, this is my text. I want to validate this as well. How you can able to validate? And you come back here. Okay, and we'll use it this one again. Before accepting, we need to get that string text equal to alert.text. Alert.text. Okay. This function, it will get that uh, alert value. Before accepting, we need to get it. Once you accept it, automatically it will collapse, right? We can't see that one. That's why I'm going to use it. Okay. Now I'm going to copy this text and I will paste it here. Okay, then I'll copy it, I think. copy and put back here and shit, pasting. Okay. Now we can see one more time to run this one. This is accepting alert. Okay. This completely accepting alert. Now it is clicked and you can see that's alert got passed out. Okay. Now we will use for close as well. Driver dot close. Every time we need to close for manually, right? Now both the cases got passed, right? Now we can store this information. I'll comment this section. Okay. And next scenario is dismiss. Okay. Next scenario is dismiss. I need to click for dismissing purpose now. This is basically accepting directly for this particular one. Okay. Now I want to click OK and I want to click dismiss. Okay. Once I click the dismiss, automatically it will get this information. Okay. And also you can able to see this particular OK and dismiss, and also the information also changed. Okay. These two options we need to do it. I'll copy first this information and I'll paste it here. Two places. Okay. Text will be same, and here alert dot dismiss. Okay. Now this is the dismiss case, and here that particular element also will be changed. I'll use for here purpose inspecting the element, and you can see this is my JSON confirmation alert. I'll paste it here. Okay, the same path, just only we need to change the path of that, and it will get the text, and text is like once you click and we can see, and here we need to change that. Okay, then we need to change here as well, cancel, and it is the cancel information you cancelled. Okay, now I'm going to change that cancel information here. Okay, this is like a accepting and dismissing both the cases. Okay, now again I'm going back and I'll run the same. Now this time it will dismiss. See, dismiss is done as expected without any issue. If it is there is a issue, then automatically will get for some error as well. Okay. Now I'll copy this again. I'll paste it here and I'll comment this. Okay. And now this dismiss is done, and send keys we need to use. Okay. Get text and also send keys. Okay. Before accepting, we need to provide. Now if I click on confirmation, I'll change the path as well. First we'll find the path of this particular element. This is a promote alert. Okay, and I'm copying this one and pasting. Okay, save. And once I click this particular promote one, okay, if I click provide something a text, and if I click OK, and it will provide here. Now if I provide here Loki, and if I make it here, and it will see you entered for Loki. Okay, this information it will provide it. Okay, I want to check the both the cases now. I want to check this particular I am JS promote or not. One case. Okay. And also we need to provide the send case. Before accepting, we need to provide the send case, right? Alert dot send keys. And here I'm going to provide info location and semicolon. Okay. Now after providing, I'm going to click it. then definitely it will come back here. Okay. And here the information they are provided here, and we'll copy and see, and we can mark it to here. Okay. The same name we are passed it from here to here. Nothing different. Okay. Now we are going to click the accept, and we are going to get that information from here, and also we are verifying the JS promote or not. Okay. Now again I'm going to run this one. See, it got bust. Okay. Now what else we can do? All operations we done, and any things we can able to do. Yes, we can able to try. Okay, different way also. I'll tell you the example. You can try in your end in case if you are not getting. If there is any failure, then you can let me know. I'll give you the code. Okay. First example I'm going to show you here. Before clicking alert or something alert, whether that alert is presented or not, you have to check. Okay, you are clicking this one, and but you need to check the alert. How you can able to check? Take this entire path before here. This alert is there. Right? Before that, you need to create one if condition. If this alert not equal to null. Okay. When you mention this particular one, if that is an alert is presented, automatically we are going to run our alert script. Okay. If not there, then you can able to write another script which is not handling for the alert. Okay. This is a one case. And second case, we can able to use for try catch block to avoiding our uh, exceptions. No such alert presented like that we are going to get some exception, right? That kind of alerts we need to exclude that moment we can able to use for our try catch block. Okay, what do you need to keep it in the alert try block? What are the code you have to write for alert handling, like from here to here, driver opening and this switching the window and everything you written, right? This entire code you can keep it from here try block. Cash block it can be handled for some other way. Okay, based upon your condition. These are the two ways you can try in your end. Okay. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. And thank you.